ready to transform your long-form videos into viral gold with effortless precision. First, head over to the Opus Clip website and create an account. It's super quick. Once you're in, you'll start at the main dashboard. You'll see a clear upload option right there. Next, let's feed Opus Clip your long-form video. Click the symbol in the middle of your screen which says upload and simply upload your original video. You can upload directly from your computer or paste the URL of your video from YouTube, TikTok, or other platforms. Remember, this original video will be used as the source of your new content. Now comes the magic. After you've uploaded your video, Opus Clip does its AI thing. It analyzes your content, identifies the most engaging moments, and automatically generates several short clips optimized for social media. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the length of your original video. Once the processing is done, you'll have a selection of pre-made clips ready to go. Take a look. You can preview each clip by clicking on the play button. Review the thumbnails and titles. Let's say you want to customize a clip further. Hover over the specific clip you like and you can click edit. This opens up a simple video editor within Opus Clip. Here, you can tweak the captions, adjust the video length by cropping, and personalize the text overlays. Fine-tune the details to match your brand and style. Adjust the caption styles, font sizes, or even use the features to highlight different segments. Happy with your edits? Perfect. Hit the export button. Opus Clip will render your edited video. Finally, download your polished, ready-to-share short video clip. From here you can tailor your clip for various platforms, such as TikTok and Instagram, and that's it. Your new video clip is now ready to set the internet ablaze. Get filming, and happy creating. Don't forget to use #OpusClip and #video editing to join the community.